Getting around Saskatoon was a bit more challenging Thursday after a blizzard hit Wednesday. The city declared a snow event after receiving 11 centimeters of snow, and while most major routes have been cleared, the city warns some neighborhood streets are still icy as the deep freeze settles in. Further south, Regina was blanketed in snow and freezing rain. Many people spent the morning shoveling away the remnants of the storm.
Chisel away at it little at a time, and usually I just push it into the street, into the middle of the road, but so much this morning or overnight, so I just pushed it across the way.
Some sidewalks have not been cleared, making it challenging for those forced to be out and about.
Lots of people haven't shoveled yet, so it's very difficult walking and delivering mail. It's like a challenge for every mailbox.
In downtown Regina, cars are parked in all directions.
It's a lot of slanted parking too far from the curb, a lot of stuff like that, but can't really do much about it until the city gets the streets cleaned up.
With another storm brewing for the province Friday, Saskatchewan RCMP are still urging people to avoid all travel. It comes after reports of more than 80 collisions so far.
It's important that everyone who drives in Saskatchewan understands that they need to be prepared for winter weather. Sometimes it's going to impact your plans. You may have to cancel. There may be delays, and you need to be ready to face winter driving conditions if you must travel.
A sure sign that winter is only just beginning. Aliyah Marco Omene, CBC News, Regina.